Today, in this sacred time of Easter, I am reminded of one of the most powerful truths in our faith, the boundless inclusivity of our Lord Jesus Christ. As I travel to Nandi to join our brothers and sisters of the India Sanmaga Ikya Sangam in celebrating their centennial annual convention, I am struck by how deeply this message speaks to us as a nation. As we mourn the passing of the late former president, Naturanga Naitoke Naisonglava Ratepeli Nailitkau, we convey our deepest condolences to his family and the Vanua. We also pay our tribute to those who have lost loved ones during this time. In the Gospel of Luke, we are told that as Jesus hung on the cross, one of the robbers beside him said, "Lord, remember me when you come into your kingdom." And Jesus replied, saying, "Truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise." Even in his final moments, amid the pain, suffering, and sacrifice, Christ chose compassion. He chose inclusion. He chose love. What an example for us all. Easter is not only a time of remembrance, it is a time of renewal. From Palm Sunday to this very day, we are reminded that even in the face of hardship, hope is never lost. That even in darkness, light will come. And that is the message that we must carry forward, a message of inclusivity, a message of hope, a message of reconciliation, and a message of unity. Fiji is strongest when we stand together, not as divided groups, but as one people bound by shared values of respect, of compassion, and of understanding. Reconciliation is not simply something that we speak about. It is something we must choose every day. We choose to forgive. We choose to heal. We choose to move forward together. To the parents and guardians of our nation, I say this: the future of Fiji rests in your hands. The values you teach your children today will shape the leaders of tomorrow. Let us raise a generation that believes in unity, in service, and in the strength of community. This Easter is especially meaningful as the Fiji Truth and Reconciliation Commission continues its work. It offers us a path to confront our past with honesty and to move forward with courage. I have walked that path myself, and I encourage all Fijians to do the same. Let us choose understanding over division and love over resentment. To our members of the disciplined forces, both serving and retired, this message is also for you. Easter reminds us that redemption is always possible. No burden is too heavy to be lifted by faith, by courage, and by a willingness to begin again. To our young people, you are the hope of this nation. Dream boldly without boundaries. Work hard. Believe in yourselves. The Fiji of tomorrow will be shaped by your actions today. And to those who are struggling, those facing illnesses and hardships, or the weight of personal battles, please know that you are not alone. There is always hope. There is always a way forward. Reach out, seek support, and hold on to faith. This Easter, let us renew our commitment to one another. Let us choose unity over division, hope over despair, love over fear. Together we can build a Fiji that truly reflects the spirit of the sacred season, a nation at peace with itself and filled with promise for generations to come. May God bless you all. God bless Fiji. Vinaka.